How to post TikTok drafts to public. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to post TikTok drafts to public. Without further ado, let's get started. Before we head on straight to the TikTok app, let's first visit the App Store right here, or if you have an Android, just open up your Play Store and let's just search for the TikTok app. Let's click on TikTok, and what we're going to do from here is to check if our TikTok is up to date. Now if it says open right here, that means that our TikTok is currently updated. So, however, if that says update or if it shows an update button, that means that your TikTok is currently outdated. So just tap on the update button so that you will have the latest features, especially the feature of being able to post your TikTok drafts to public. Once you have made sure that your TikTok is up to date, let's just head on and open TikTok right here. And once you have opened your TikTok, make sure that you are at your profile page. So to do that, let's just click on the profile icon at the bottom right hand corner. And you should be at your profile page and you should see your videos and the draft section over here as well. If you don't see that, make sure that you have clicked on this tab right here so you can see the draft section and your uploaded videos. So once you're here, just tap on the draft section right here. And this is the page where you should see all your drafts. So if you want to post a TikTok draft to public, or if you want to show that to everybody on TikTok, just click on that specific draft and you should see the option to click on next right here at the bottom right hand corner. And let's focus on this option that says who can watch this video. So just tap on that and make sure that you have selected the option that says everyone. That means that everyone can watch this video, and that is basically posting your TikTok drafts to public, and everyone can see that on your account. So you can just type in a caption right here, add hashtags, mention people, and once you have set everything up, just click on the post option right here at the bottom right hand corner, and that is how you can basically post TikTok drafts to public. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.